Hello, P4 students! Welcome again to our science class with Ms.Ida, and we are now on chapter 7, Properties of Light. Are you ready? Let's get started. For lesson 1, the title is Light Travels. Our learning aims are the following. Learn that light travels in straight lines. Show how a ray diagram represents light traveling in straight lines. For chapter 2, your questions. In stage 3, you learn that light could travel through some objects and is blocked by others. What are 3 objects that give us light? Take your time to answer, children, and don't forget to write your answers in your science notebook, and we will check your answers together in the class. Moving on, for a thinking cap, I wonder how a candle makes a dark room bright. How does light travel? Number 6, we have learned that energy is present in light. You see light when there is a fire, when a candle is lit, and when you switch on a lamp. Light travels in straight lines. A ray diagram is used to show how light travels. A ray diagram shows how light travels from a light source to our eyes. A ray diagram consists of straight lines with arrows to show the direction that light travels. For lesson 2, reflection of light, our learning aims are the following. State how light reflects off surfaces. Describe how we see objects that are not light sources. For our lesson 2, your questions, is the moon a light source? How do we see the moon at night? Why does the moon reflect off water at night? And for our thinking gap, I wonder how we can see objects that are not sources of light. So let's start learning. What is reflection? Light travels away from the source of the light in straight lines. When the light reaches the surface of an object, it bounces off the surface. We call this reflection. When light reflects off the surface, it still travels in straight lines, but in a new direction. Rough surfaces bounce light off in all directions, while smooth surfaces reflect light in one direction. See the difference, children? When light reaches our eyes, we see objects, but we cannot see in the dark as there is no light reaching our eyes. And for top, a capsule endoscopy camera is a tiny camera that doctors use to take pictures inside your body. The camera is the size of a vitamin pill. The patient is asked to swallow the camera, and it travels down the body taking thousands of pictures. It has lights to ensure that the pictures taken are bright and clear. Doctors use the pictures to find out if there are any problems in the body. The camera is passed out of the body with waste. Have you heard of this one, children? This is quite amazing, right? And for science occurred, optical engineers design and build things that make use of light to do something useful. We carry out research on light. They also design and test devices such as telescopes, lasers, microscopes, and cameras. And that ends our video lesson for today. I hope you learned something new. See you in our class then. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.